See the pet? If you've got a pet that prevents you from having a train, this could be the solution. Have you ever wanted to have a train around your Christmas tree but weren't able to because of your beloved pet? Well, Ashland has a new train from Michael's that connects to the trunk, and it just might let you be able to do that. All right, before we unbox this thing, I want to invite you in. We're going to look at the side so I can show you what's all in the box. All right, it's an animated train with realistic engine sound. It says all aboard, okay? It's got sound and a ringing bell with lighted headlights, okay? It runs on 4 AA batteries. All right, there's 2 different setup options. You can set it up on the ground or up on the trunk between the sections of the tree. What comes in the box is 1 locomotive, 1 fuel car, 1 caboose, 8 track pieces, 2 stabilizers, 1 tree clamp, and an instruction sheet. All right, everybody, we're gonna take this thing apart and show you how it looks inside right now. Oh, big track.
Ooh.
Nice. Big track.
Can I take it, show them?
A little bit, just don't get it too close.
Okay.
Pick one out. Careful. Oh my.
Oh, my bad.
Instruction. Here is what, okay, this is how they connect to the trunk. And I haven't seen the stabilizers yet, unless that's what these are. I don't know. And then...
We think these are the stabilizers.
Nice, pretty heavy. Could give a good view all the way around. These are connected. See that? All right, but for now, we're going to do it on the table first. Assemble the track. Connect all the sections together to make a circle. All right, we're going to do that first.
I didn't show y'all this train.
Okay.
How many batteries did we do?
4. The dimensions they're showing as 29 inches. Y'all got it? All right, so where do the batteries go? Let's see. We will need a small screwdriver. And a small Phillips head. It looks like it's going to be needed to install the batteries. We're going to get that and we'll be right back to you. We are adding the AA batteries to the middle green car right now. You remove the coal and the batteries fit in there. Alright, and
Want to do this? I am. Oh, sorry.
I would say a value at $29.99. Very nice.
And there's a silent mode.
If you don't like the noise, you can put it on silent mode. And so what we're going to have to do is come back to you now. Let me see if it's good. We're going to have to come back to you. Oh, maybe it's got like a little program. All right. There it goes again. All right. So what we're going to do is get this ready to go into the tree. How that's going to work, I don't know. But if you, like me, back there, you see the pet. If you got a pet that prevents you from having a train, this could be the solution. We'll come back to you in just a few minutes.
This is the clamp for the tree. You can put whatever you really want it on the tree. Then these are the stabilizers for the train not to fall off.
Alright, so this here's the tree clamp like we discussed just a second ago. And this is a support strut. They're going to go all the way around. We're going to put them on first. And they're not hard to get on. They just snap right in. Like, whoop. Like so. Alright, and this is pretty ingenious the way they did this. So what they got here is on this side and this side, you can unscrew these, and this thing's gonna come straight apart so we can put it around the tree, the base of the tree. And then here on this side, these unscrew and screw back to tighten and loosen it. So we're gonna be able to get as tight as we want. Then we've got these stabilizers that come with it as well, and we're gonna show you more about that when we install it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put all these struts on, and then we're gonna disassemble this, take it apart, and we're gonna take it over to the tree, and we'll take you over there with it once we put it together and get the train on there, and we'll see y'all in just a second. All right, everybody, let's see if she can get around there. It took about 30-45 minutes to get up. All right. Whoa! It's actually working. Wow, I think so. Whoa! Check that out, everybody. This is the Ashton tree train from Michaels. It's on sale right now for $29.99. In some areas, it's regularly $59.99. Took about 45 minutes, I would say, to get it in the tree, mainly because we had already had the tree set up. But yeah, boy, check that out, everybody. We got a Christmas tree train. Check that out, everybody. We got a train in our Christmas tree. I do worry about it falling from up there, but it ain't a Kato, at least. Hee hee. Thank you, Santa. And thank you very much to the person who loved us enough to get us this. Avery opened it. AJ opened it last night. Here we go. It's going to come to a stop for a moment, I think. All right, everybody. And like I said, this is the Ashton tree train from Michael. And if I am able to tag it and link it so you can just go ahead and click right on it and order it, I will do so. But I'm not sure. I want to show you the process. So it does shut down and then we'll turn back on. It has a silent option for you mothers out there, wives, or people who don't like trains so much. And we crank back up, everybody. And there we go. Yeah. I like it. But I like trains, so. And there's the box and the train. We thank y'all very much for watching today. If you're not already a subscriber, we want to encourage you to subscribe, click the bell icon, and share this with your friends. We have tons of model railroad videos here on this channel of our layout, and we hope you'll stick around and see some of them. You can support the channel further by smashing the thumbs up button. Also, we have channel memberships below if you're interested in joining us. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas, everybody. This was a fun video to make. Y'all be good. Take care.